Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking a VPN that explicitly supports streaming. This ensures YouTube plays smoothly. Once chosen, sign in and verify your subscription so the app won't block midstream. Make sure the VPN app is installed on the same device you use for YouTube and grant any required permissions. Now open the app, and I want you to pick a server region where YouTube content is available. This first action gets you into the right geographic lane. Once connected, choose a streaming-optimized server or one with low latency for the content you want. That reduces buffering and geo-block issues. Make sure to enable the kill switch to prevent accidental IP leaks, and use split tunneling if you want only YouTube routed through the VPN. Then switch the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN for an optimal balance of speed and security. This configuration keeps video smooth while protecting your connection. Now test playback. Clear YouTube cache or refresh the page, then play a short video to confirm streaming works. If you see buffering or quality drops, change to a closer server or lower the resolution. That usually fixes performance. If YouTube shows geographic or IP errors, disconnect and reconnect the VPN, or open an incognito window to rule out cookie issues. One troubleshooting tip: restarting the app or device often clears stubborn network conflicts, so do that before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.